Hello, good morning, wonderful people of the internet. My name is Caroline Kiugu, and this is Carol the Move YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Anyhow, today is on Saturday, and I want to spend the entire weekend with you. And first of all, I've just made tea. It's around 12. I woke up kind of early, but I think I've been just up and down doing some nothings. But I've cleaned utensils, I've made breakfast. So now I want to bake a bread and meal prep. My sister is supposed to be going home tomorrow, so I'll be alone for the next few weeks until she goes back to school. And what else? Because I'm so lazy when it comes to cooking, I want to meal prep so that I want to meal prep so that I can reduce on the takeout. And I saw this recipe online about making a bread, so that's what I wanted to try. Najua kwamba mimi ni wako, unanipenda sana. Nuru. I want to meal prep like freezer meals and things that I can eat at least for the next few days. Not days, for the next few weeks actually. The recipe was saying I should use yeast, but since I don't have yeast, I'm just going to use baking powder. I think I added too much of it. Ajua kwamba mimi ni wako, unanipenda sana. Nuru yangu imenitosha, nuru yako tosha. Here is the dough. I'm going to cover it for 60 minutes, then bake it. And for breakfast today, I'm going to have African tea and arrowroot. I baked a cake, didn't completely dry, backfired on me. And now I want to make mukimo. I am baking a loaf of bread. You will see how it looks. Wow, this cooker is so dirty. Hi guys, it's way later, still on Saturday, and I'm from the market, and I want to do a haul of some things I got from the market. The first thing is this sweater. It looks more of a sweater dress, but it's it's a sweater. We got it for 180, yeah, 180 shillings. Got these two t-shirts. They are white. I think I'm addicted to white colors, but they are not mine. They are my sister's. I didn't see this thing, but I hope it will come out. But it's such a cute t-shirt. Each was going for 100 shillings. We got this mommy jean. The mommy jeans was going for 500 shillings in Mokoyo market. If you're in Mokoyo, opposite Soko ya Mbuzi, that street between, you see the long house, the big house, the tall house. The tall house with iron sheets around. Yeah, just opposite Soko ya Mbuzi. Apple. I don't know his name. I'm not sure of his name, but in case I get his number, I'm going to include it. Such a cute mommy jeans, and especially for that amount, considering that we are big, my sister and I are big, and also my sister is tall. I got this purse for 100 shillings. I'm out of purses. My purses are not in the best state. For me, I got myself this jeans. They are more of mommy jeans. They're going for 500 shillings, but because I bought the two of them, this one I got it for 450. It fits me so well. Let me try it with you. Oh, before I try it, of course, I think we're out of tissues, and I love these Neptune tissues. Each for 40 shillings, so the two of them for 80 shillings. And sugar, of course, I got the local sugar. I was going for a kg, going for 150. And watermelon. That's all for that haul. So with a budget of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, with a budget of less than 1,000 bob, my sister is stressed. Here is the jeans. How does it look? Yes, that's all for this video. I think we are just going to like relax for the evening. I don't know if you remember me making a lot of njogo. That's what we're going to take for supper, and probably call it a night. For now, we're just going to watch a movie, but I'm still so full. You see, I look like a pregnant woman. I need to work on my stomach. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Hi, today being on a Sunday, I've actually not done much. I just took my sister to the bus station here in Murang'a because she was going home, and from then I just came. I've been watching a movie, and that's it. And now it's around 2. It's actually 1 something. I just want to take some papers to where this paper is so dirty. Not even realized. I just want to take some papers to a client, and I'll probably come back, watch a movie, or I might go to a friend's salon and spend the rest of the evening. I don't have much to do today, but we'll see. Hi guys, it's way later on Sunday and I'm making supper. I'll be making rice. I'll be making rice and beans, potatoes for supper today. And I'll just boil my rice and stew my beans. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It wasn't much and I thought I would have more activities, and actually I had some more activities, only that I had company in the house, and especially because my grandma came over yesterday, and of course I did not want to make her uncomfortable, but I did meal prep some foods. I did sweet potatoes, I did arrowroot, I did beans and then jogo. I remember showing you that, and also I did the mokimo. And now this, because I cannot eat all of it, I'm going to like put it away. I also showed you making a bread, and the cake backfired on me, but anyway, it's still content. Whether you make it perfect or you like have flaws, it's part of content, because at the end of the day nobody is perfect. At the end of the day we learn, and if only I post what is perfect, if I only post the perfect part of my life, then I'll be lying to you, and mostly to myself, and I don't think I like lying to myself, because at the end of the day if I decide I want to lie to myself, I'll have a very difficult life, and I'll be forced to keep digging, to keep borrowing to sustain my lifestyle, or I'll have to keep faking it to like maintain the style that I want to show you out there. But nobody's life is perfect. Nobody's life is perfect. Even the president have his worst days. Everybody have their best and their worst days. And that was my weekend. I think the most activities I did was cook, go to the market, eat, sleep. That is yesterday. And today I only took my sister to the bus station, and I took the papers to my clients. And what else did I do? I watched a movie for the better part of the evening. I also went live on YouTube. And now I'm making supper, and I think that's all for today. Anyway, I'm talking too much. In case you've not already subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back. And if anything interested you and you probably want to share with somebody else, kindly hit that share button, like, comment, and let me know some of the things you feel are cringe that I post on this channel, and some things that you feel are worth being on this channel. Anyway, bye bye. Mwah.